It's likely that you spend several hours a day managing your email in Microsoft Outlook. So today we'll look at 3 ways to use Outlook more efficiently. Let's go! Tip 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Far and away, learning and using Outlook's keyboard shortcuts will save you time. So here are the top 10. With a little memorization and practice, you'll quickly develop muscle memory and greatly reduce the need to mouse through menus or constantly right-click for frequent commands. Tip number 2, use quick steps. Outlook 2016 comes with a number of quick steps built in. Right-click on any email, choose quick steps, and choose from the list. Let's use team email. The first time you do this, it'll ask you to name your team, and then you enter in their email addresses. For more options, click here and say, for example, create a keyboard shortcut. So, the next time you click Control-Shift-1, an email to your entire team will be composed. To create a new quick step, choose New Quick Step, and here are a number of options. Real easy. Last, tip 3, use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a way of changing the look of a particular email. You set it up under the View menu and then View Settings. What we're going to do here is click on Conditional Formatting, and I've created one called Microsoft. We'll turn that on, and what I did was I chose a condition where the word Microsoft appeared anywhere in an email. And then I asked it to appear in a bold red font. Now, we need to make this an unread message again. Any new email with Microsoft in it will appear in red. Great for important clients, managers, or other contacts. That's it. Thanks for watching Quick Tips. See you next time.